Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, we will be sharing with you 3 essential ingredients that you would need to be able to replicate those flavor, tasteful curries at home, just like the Indian restaurants. Before we do that though, I would like to give a massive thank you to everyone who's been watching our videos, supporting our channels, commenting, liking, subscribing. So we thank you for that. We really appreciate it. Please feel free to share our channels with everyone. So having said that guys, let's get back to today's video where we'll be sharing with you the 3 key essential ingredients you need to be able to replicate the restaurant style curries at home. Okay guys, the first essential ingredients that I'll be sharing with you is the ginger and garlic paste. Ginger and garlic paste is pretty much used at the beginning of cooking any curries or preparing your chicken, your lamb, and it's used to give it the massive fragrance and also the amazing aroma and taste that comes with it. Having said that, so I have got equal quantities of garlic and ginger. I've cut the ginger into small cubes, and just to make it easier for the blender, just going to chuck them in. And I'm also going to be using some coriander stalks. Give it a quick. About this much should be fine. Also going to add some oil, about 2, and these are tablespoons. Now I'm just going to add some water in here, just enough so the blender so it blends easily. Just going to add some water. There you go. Right guys, it's been about a couple of minutes blending this, so our garlic and ginger paste should be done. So let's give this a go. You want the paste to be smooth and thick. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. So you're looking for round about like that. See that thickness there? Lovely. Now this is going to be the base, pretty much what we're going to use when we first cook our chicken or any curry really, and it's going to give it some amazing flavour. So this is the first essential ingredient that is used in the Indian restaurants and takeaways. So let's crack on and show you the second one. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is show you our second ingredient that's going to transform your curries. It's called the tomato puree paste, but we're going to show you exactly how we prepare the puree paste. So having said that, I've got a pan, I've got some oil heating, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil heating up. I've got my original puree paste, not sure if you can see that. There you go, and I'm going to use that. Okay guys, first thing we're going to add to our pan. Oil is hot now. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. And I'm just going to let that cook for a few minutes. This ginger and garlic paste smells amazing already. Just let that cook for a few seconds. As soon as it starts changing colour and you can smell the aroma coming, we're going to add our tomato puree. Okay, it's ready now. That's 1 chef spoon, 2 chef spoon I'm using. Going to mix this all in. Leave the heat on medium. And I'm going to add a cup of water. Just going to add another half a cup. Look at the consistency. So I'm going to add a bit more water to this. So in total it's been about 2.5 cups of water, warm water. Yeah, this is the thickness or the consistency that we want. I need to use the chef spoon purely because I'm used to using this spoon. Yeah, there we go, this is better. That's the consistency we want, guys. Just going to let that heat up for a couple of seconds, well, a minute, and then we're done. Right, there we go, guys. This is our tomato puree paste all ready, and we can start making our curry with it now. Right guys, on this video I will be showing you another essential ingredient that is used at all Indian restaurants and takeaways, and this one's going to be our caramelized onion. So let's get started with this one. So we've got a pan, it's on heat. I'm going to add about 1.5 chef spoon of oil. Use a tiny bit of turmeric powder. I'm going to put it on low heat now. And a pinch of fenugreek leaves. Okay guys, so it's been about a couple of minutes of cooking the onions. So this is called the service onion, and this service onion is used to cook majority of your curries at the restaurants, from your chicken buna to your jalfrezes, your dupiazas and so forth. Now this service onion is already caramelized, it's flavored with the methi as well as the turmeric. Alright guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video. So you've got your tomato puree paste, your ginger and garlic, as well as a service onion. And I'll see you in the next video.